Ug's world is turned upside down as he emerges in a jungle of concrete and steel, bewildered faces staring back at him. The city swirls around Ug, its cacophony of sounds and sights overwhelming his senses, as fear and curiosity follow in his wake. Ug's eyes widen at the magnificence of the towering structure before him, a testament to a world far beyond his understanding. In the depths of the city, Ug prowls through the shadows, his primitive instincts sharp as he searches for sustenance in this alien landscape. Amidst the harshness of the city, a stranger named Shai bridges the gap between their worlds, offering Ug a taste of warmth and generosity. Through the darkness of the alley, a silent companion named Snoop joins Ug, a flicker of connection in a world that seems so far from home. Ug falls asleep in the dark alley, feeling scared and alone, missing his friends and the life he had many, many centuries ago. Surrendering to the embrace of sleep, Ug finds solace in the quiet of the alley, a temporary respite from the turbulent currents of the city that never sleeps. With the gentle touch of dawn, Ug's eyes flutter open to the sight of familiar surroundings, the echoes of the city fading like a dream as he returns to the embrace of his ancient home. In the wake of Ug's departure, the city buzzes with speculation and wonder, his fleeting visit leaving behind a trail of questions and introspection woven into the fabric of urban life.